It's Saturday, December 2nd. Hold on a second, let me start over. Gotta get the high resolution camera going. Right. It's 7:13 on Saturday, the 2nd of December. And 35 degrees and foggy. A little bit of rain falling. I was wrong about sunrise time, not changing to earlier than 3:50 or sunset. Not changing to earlier than 3:51. It was 3:50 today. And the sunrise was at 6:52. So, I thought it was supposed to be snow overnight, but too warm. And since it is the first Saturday of the month, we have breakfast at the Snowmobile Club. We'll be heading out there shortly. I talked yesterday about taking a trip up to Caribou, Maine to pick up a snowmobile. Unfortunately, after I got back from Flynn and I walking in the morning, I got a notification on Facebook Marketplace that the sled had sold, so it's gone. He who hesitates is lost. And my friend Charlie says that's it. That's city talk. Yeah, up here it's you have to strike while the iron's hot. So didn't do much yesterday. I did go out bird hunting, but I heard two. I didn't see him. But of course I couldn't take a shot. Let me see if I can fix the flag. Yep. Nary a breeze. I don't want to walk out in the mud. What that noise was. Making a short walk this morning, Flynn. I'll take a ride down to the Snowmobile Club. You have your breakfast. All right, bud? I don't see anything. You can see how bad the plowing truck did with the grass. That's in about easily 3 feet. Flynn, let's go. Come on, let's go for a ride in the truck. Flynn, come. Flynn, come. Well, any frost we had on the ground is gone. And Cheryl posted pictures that Kevin was out doing trail maintenance yesterday. Had no idea I was going out, or else I would have gone out with them. We did run into Springfield yesterday. Really had wanted to go by a place called Gramiana's, because they advertise they have donuts in the morning. And she'd seen online that they opened at 8. We got down there yesterday and the sign on the door says they opened at 11. And it was 10:30. And we left, went to Smith's to pick up the newspaper. And on the way back, we saw that there was somebody parked there. And one of the owners. So we went up, tried to get back in. He came out the side door, said they're not open. They had something to do. So we took a ride over to Brother Tom's. I wanted to eye up his wood stove that he's trying to get out of his basement. His contractor said he would take care of it for him. But on the day they installed the other wood stove, he said he was short one person on manpower. And he'd come back. And Tom hasn't heard from the guy since the installation, I guess a month ago. Was it a month ago? Not quite a month ago. So it's a very heavy stove, probably 400 pounds. It took 4 of us to get it in. It's always easier going down steps than up steps with a weight like that. I thought we could use a tractor to pull it up on a slide, but we would have to flip it over onto its top. And not sure whether that's going to break the legs, trying to get up on an angle. So he's going to try and contact the guy again, see whether he can come back. So a short walk today. Going to take a run down to the snowmobile club, grab some breakfast, and then see what the day brings. We're looking at 3 to 6 inches of snow on Saturday night, Sunday. I already canceled my appointment for my truck maintenance on Monday, because I don't want to be driving in 6 inches of snow, even though the roads are probably clear. Oh, I should leave that on because we're going out. Alright, that's it for today.